In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate pages in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Whether it's for reorganizing a document, better viewing, or simply getting things in the right orientation, this guide will walk you through the simple steps you need to take to achieve your goal efficiently. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Reader. If you haven't already launched Acrobat Reader on your computer, go ahead and do so. Once it's open, navigate to the location of your PDF file on your computer, click on it, and it should pop right up in Acrobat Reader. If your document opens in a different application or your browser, make sure to right-click the file and select Open With to choose Adobe Acrobat Reader specifically. With your PDF now open in Acrobat Reader, you're ready to rotate the pages. To do this, we're going to use an option in the toolbar. You'll want to direct your attention to the top of your screen where you will see a menu labeled View. Click on View and you'll see a drop-down menu appear with plenty of options. This is where the magic happens. Instead of going through complicated steps, Adobe has made it easy for us. On this drop-down menu under View, look for Rotate View. Hover over it, and you'll notice you have a couple of options. Rotate View Clockwise or Rotate View Counterclockwise. These are your two choices for rotating the page. Let's say you want to rotate your page to the right. By choosing Rotate View Clockwise, you'll turn the page 90 degrees in a clockwise direction. Just click it once, and you'll see the page instantly rotate. If you need to continue rotating, you can click the option as many times as needed until the page reaches your desired position. Alternatively, if you want to go in the opposite direction, you would choose Rotate View Counterclockwise. This will rotate the page to the left again by 90 degrees each time you click. Just like before, click as many times as you need to get it right. Remember, these changes are for your current viewing session. This means if you close the document, the orientation will revert to its original state when you reopen it. If you need to save the rotated view, you may need the full version of Adobe Acrobat to save those changes permanently. It's a handy tool when reviewing pages or making quick adjustments during presentations. With these easy steps, you've learned how to navigate Adobe Acrobat Reader to rotate pages, ensuring your documents are always in the perfect orientation for viewing or sharing. Thanks for following along, and I hope this helps you manage your PDF documents more effectively. If you found this video useful, make sure to like and subscribe for more straightforward guides. Until next time.